Hello, my name is Eduardo Costa. I would like to share a course that I'm giving right now. It's destined for fashion designers, fashion design students that would like to either apply internationally for university, especially British universities, but also for fashion students who would like to just bump their portfolio and find internships at Alexander McQueen, Margiela, and it's mainly focused on that, preparing your portfolio. It's a 1 month course. It's 25 hours, and I think it's really worth it. Let me talk about a little bit about myself. I've recently spent a year in Central St. Martins. I went to the Fashion Folio course. I actually got an offer from UAL for a master degree with a scholarship. So I do think that my output would be really interesting if you're interested in applying for a fashion design job. For those who don't know, Central St. Martins is considered to be the best school in the world. Many famous fashion designers study there. For example, John Galliano, Alexander McQueen, Shalai, and Phoebe Fowler. And also additionally, I'm also the editor of Fashion Rewarder, which is a fashion design magazine. It's a fashion magazine destined especially for emerging talents, for young designers. And for example, from the challenge of the Festival de Hier, that had like 10 finalists, three of them at least were disclosed before a fashion rewarder. So I do think like it is my area of expertise, and that's what I'll be sharing with you. We'll have access to many books, but I definitely recommend that you have a library nearby. For example, this book of the symbols, which is translated in here, but it has like every symbol. For example, the moon or blue or ghost, and what it means and what it symbolizes through our culture, but previous cultures. It's very poetic, and it brings a lot of references. I also have in here, for example, a book from Rick Owens that's always good references. Comme des Garçons, this gorgeous book with the white cover. I also have this book called Cool, Style, Sound, and Subversion, which shows many of the subcultures from around the world. So, for example, it shows like what do they listen to, what movies do they watch, where were they born, and how do they dress. A lot of illustrations. So it's very useful for a project based on subculture. For example, punks, emos, juggalos, many gothics. Anyway, we're also making many projects, like from the start, just creating new creative process, just creating new collections, just developing new ideas and concepts. So, for example, one of the projects, you bring the photographs from your photo album, from your childhood, and then we're gonna analyze it together. For example, my family, my photo album from my family, I'm always hugging someone, or someone's hugging me. My brother, on the other hand, he's very like standing tall aside from everyone. I'm always like being hugged or hugging someone. It really tells something about me that I like this cocooning idea. I like this constriction. I like being hugged. I like comfort. So, and one thing that's important, who you are as a child really impacts on what identity you developed, both as a person as a designer. But it really says a lot about who you are as a designer. So I do think that you would face yourself and develop yourself and understanding better who you are and what do you want to do. We also draw a lot. I have many fashion drawing books that explain rendering, sizes, but it's definitely recommend that you know at least basic drawing. It's for every level, for people who have graduated their BAs, or for people who know the basics, but it's really important that you understand at least some drawing, because it's mainly focused on the creative process. And yeah, I do think you'd learn a lot. I mean, it isn't very economical course. It's not expensive, and it's something that hopefully will help a lot. Yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye.